The next station is Bowden.
Your attention, please. The 2234 Stepford Connect service to Stepford, Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Welcome on board this
Platform 3 for the 2236 Stepford Connect service to Stepford, Victoria. Calling at Bowden, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, Stepford Central, Financial Quarter, and Stepford, Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is Coxly. This train is for Stepford, Victoria. The next station is Bowden.